Hi guys, John here, Forex Fire. Just getting in from work. It is now, it's going to be back from the time on there, it's 5:45 at night. Now, this video is going to be a little bit of a training. It's an extension to what is already a very popular strategy. Okay, for the likes of myself, I came about this side of an already great strategy, which has seen phenomenal results from David Kahn and Armitage, which is a crossfire. Okay, guys. So for my concept, I can't be on the session ready for the markets to do what they need to do within that short frame of time. Okay. However, I'm going to show you a way how you can trade that very system over a bit of a longer time frame. Okay, and it all involves breaking the sessions up. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to share my screen. Get my handsome face in the top corner as always. Right, so what it is, we have the chart. Okay, and this will be based on a 45-minute candle. Okay, so you've got the session, you've got a session from here to here consists of one day. So this could be a Monday, then you'll have a Tuesday, a Wednesday, a Thursday, a Friday, and then obviously go back to the Monday. Within that session, this dotted line, vertical line, and this vertical line, you've got a box, right? The first box is the Asian session, okay? The second one is the London version. The third one is the New York session, okay, guys? Now, the stuff you need to look for, the stuff you need to use, let's just go on the indicators to see if I can remember what it is. It is, where are we at? FXN Asian session range, okay? You're adding that to your chart, okay? From there, you go to the top, okay, and it will come up like this with a lot of different sort of coloration, different numbers and letters. You're going to the settings. This will be filtered on the top. All you need is the three bottom ones, okay? You need the fill Asian color range, fill the London color range, fill the New York color range, okay? Labels and lines, and then okay, okay, guys? So from here, how this concept works, we're going to quickly go to the Asian session, okay? So I'm going to put a horizontal ray here, okay? And then I'm going to put the horizontal ray here. Now, the way this works is you identify where the breakout happens. Let's get the trusty Forex Fire magic wand out. Right, so you need to see where the breakout, because we trapped this session, we've trapped this market. We had the breakout here, okay? So that tells me now I can get rid of this line. Okay, the breakouts happen below. Just get rid of that. What you are waiting for now, since we've had the breakout down here, we want the breakout of this fire line, okay? We want the breakout of this fire line, we just make this orange. And as you get the breakout, you need the retest, and you can trade it, okay? So let's just run that back with you. You need to trap your market, but as we've done here, okay? You're trapping a session. From there, you wait for an official breakout. An official breakout is a close a candle out of the area. We had that numerous times here, okay? From there, you then identify that, you delete where it came out of, you leave the other one highlighted, okay? You wait for the break, the retest of the other area. This happens here, okay? Now, we're gonna quickly show you the pips on this. To this high, you've got 100 pips, okay? It's come back down to retest, okay? As it's come back down to retest, it went to a newer high. It gives you around about 300 pips, okay? Not only that, it's come back down, it's retested again. From there, you've got a nice 143 pips. It's come down to retest again. You've gotten around about 116 pips. It's sort of gone again, it's tested here again. And again, guys, this does happen quite regular, to be fair, but this is one of those where it's just went exceedingly over the top with the retests and then 60 pips there, okay? So, just bear with me. That is the concept of that. Now, let's try another zone, okay? We'll go back to the screen, share a screen. So that has happened on that zone there. So if I scroll back, we'll scroll back, right? So because we're in that same session, let's take a look. Let's trap the next session down. Session here, okay? We'll trap the London market. And there's your breakout. So again, identify your breakout. We had a breakout on the low. Get rid of the low points, okay? You wait for the break, retest again to the pip, call it, and you get the drift with that. Well, let's go further back still, okay? Let's go further back and just pick another random one, okay? Right, let's have a look. And again, you're not always going to get these spot on and correct. Right, let's have a look. We need to get it where we've... Right, so again, identify your markets on the Asian session. Got one here. And the low points here, okay? Where did we get the breakouts? We had the breakout underneath. Get rid of that line. You then know the crack with this one, guys. Let's have a look. Here me. Just bear with me while we scroll back. We've trapped the market, obviously. Right, so we've trapped the market, just to get this right. Put this again there. Fat fingers. So we're testing the green, this one, okay? In fact, it was further back than that one. It was this one we were doing. So we're trapping the markets. We've got another random one here. There we are. So we've trapped this Asian market here, okay? You identify where the breakouts happen. It's happened here. Let's get that trusty Forex Fire magic wand out. We've had the breakout here, okay? So let's delete that low. So what you need now is you need a breakout. Okay, you need to break out. In fact, no, you've had the test here. You've had the test here. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. See? Had the breakout on the top. So that means you need a break and a retest here. So you've got it here. You only need 30 to 40 pips to be conservative. Obviously 15 to 20 would be better. So we've had the breakout officially on the top, okay? So that means get rid of that top line, wait for the break and retest. You've had that, like I say, 30 to 40 pips, but I would just go for 15 or 20. There you go, guys. You had 75 pips there alone, okay? Again, let's pick a different pair, CAD/JPY. Scroll back. Right, so let's have a look. Let's try and go back a bit. Go back. Right, let's have a look. So let's try we've tried the London session. Let's have a go at New York session. So again, trap that session, high and low, okay? Get the trusty magic wand out. Identify the breakout. You've got it on the bottom. Get rid of that. Your next rule is you're waiting for the break and retest of this area, okay? There's your break and retest there. You got it right there. This went on to get you, let's have a look up to that high point. Let's have a look at this. Scroll this down. This went on to give you, you had a little bit of drawdown of around about 12 pips. This went on to give you 95 pips, guys. Fantastic stuff. Fantastic stuff. Again, let us know what you think below. We can have this on a little bit of a testing phase. I'm possibly going to try and do some form of sort of setup live or do something with regards to this. But this is an extension, okay, guys? It's not to take over anything. This is an extension of an already fabulous and absolutely amazing strategy, okay, guys? So I can't stress that enough. This concept is obviously came about from the training and the education that I'm getting from my Forex mentor, which you all know who he is. From there, I've adapted certain techniques and skills, what he's done, and found that this can be used on the session crossfire, okay? It works for me because I can't be there for that quick in and out on those sessions, okay, guys? From there, I'm working on something where you can do something similar with this on the harmonic scatter as well, okay, guys? So again, just keep your eyes peeled on the wall and things like that. You will be seeing some good stuff coming with that in mind. Again, if you have any questions, drop your comment below on this. I'll possibly try and go over this on a session when I'm free on a morning with Paul or something daft like that, just to show you what it's all about. And again, if you're going to be trialing something, remember you always demo the stuff first. Some great results on this sort of setup. It works well. I've done it myself, and it also gets used with some other students, and that follows all and right. Okay, guys. So again, if you have any questions, just drop them below. Hopefully, in the coming week, I'll try and get on a session maybe with Paul or something, just to show you it working. Okay, guys. So let us know what you think. Thanks very much.